this is the interface of the WhatsApp business. It is same as the WhatsApp. One thing I will let you know that if you want to run the WhatsApp business, then you have to uninstall the WhatsApp. Okay. um, let's see what all settings they provide us. So we'll see the interface of the settings. It is same as the WhatsApp, but you get the one feature, that is the business settings. So we'll see all the features, all the settings one by one. So first one is the profile. So we'll click on it. So first the profile pic, second is the business address. Along with that, you get the location through the maps. Third is the business category. Fourth is business description, business hours, email address, and other website name. So it helps us to get all the information to the client. So second option is the statistic. So the statistic settings help us to give all the information, that how many messages are sent, delivered, read, and received. Let's go to third one. The third option is the away messages. Click on it. So you get the send away messages. Click on it, enable it. So you get one message that has already been written. So away messages, as the name says, it is an automated message. Set an away messages when you are unable to answer, so your customer knows when to expect a response. So you can also create a greeting messages to introduce your customer to your businesses. This is an already written messages. So you can apply schedule when do you want to send this message. So we'll click on it. The first option is always send. Whenever someone replies this, always send to the client. The second one is the custom schedule. This is a custom schedule. It enables you to send the timing of the messages also. The third one is not available right now, so we'll go to the next option. Okay, this will save it. The fourth option is the greeting message. So greeting message, click on it, enable it. So already one greeting message has been written for you. So that's it. So whenever your customer replies you first time, so you can greet them with this message. We'll save it. We'll go to the last option, that is a quick reply. This is the interesting feature where you have to when you can thanks your customer for giving you order or something like that. So you can don't write the full sentence, you can use this quick text. So let's try someone. um, so we can type over here with the slash, and as you can see something has been pop up, that is a quick reply. So you can click on it and then send it. So that's all. If you like this video and you learned something new, then don't forget to smash the like button, and also don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section.